Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. I don't generally wear matte lipstick because my lips are really thin and I need something with a little gloss to at least fake a plumpness to my lips. But when I got a chance to try Give Beauty from Gwen Stefani, I knew that I had to at least give her original recipe a trial run. Her red lipsticks are stunning, and she makes these in matte and also satin with a matching lip liner. What I have on right now is the High Performance Matte. This is Original Me in a true blue red. I find that in comparison to the same shade in her Anaheim Shine line, this one has a little bit more orange to it. It's not quite as blue as the Anaheim Shine, and so but it looks really, really close. I have that on now right now with the matching lip liner, which I think is an absolute necessity with all products, especially bright lipstick, because otherwise you're going to have lots of feathering. I still have feathering because I'm 57 years old, so it's pretty minimal. And again, this isn't a shade I would wear all the time. For me, it's not a daytime shade. It's definitely the evening. So Valentine's Day date night is a great choice. But if you are interested in a nice matte lipstick in a beautiful blue-red shade, I think you need to give Beauty a shot. I found it really easy to wear, very comfortable, and just utterly gorgeous. So if you check it out, let me know what you think.